In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy USDT in Bitrue. So I said USDT, but USDT is also known as Tether, or Tether is also known as USDT. Both of them mean the same thing. And Bitrue is the crypto trading platform where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And you guys can easily buy Tether over here because Tether is also a crypto. And Tether is a stable coin. Now, why is it called stable coin? Is because its value is backed up by US dollar, which means when you're buying one Tether, basically you're buying one US dollar. So just keep that in mind. Now, why is it stable? Is because US dollar's value doesn't go up and its value doesn't go down. $1 is going to remain $1 for your rest of your life. It's not going to get $2 magically, all right? So that's basically what Tether is. You're buying $1 when you're buying one Tether, so it's not going to go up, it's not going to go down. It's going to remain the same Tether, all right? So let me show you guys how you guys can buy that. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, it's me, Richie Kevin, and you're watching One to Step YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. Let's move on, shall we? First step is you want to go to bitrue.com, which is the official website of Bitrue, and log in into your account. After you log in into your account, you want to go on buy and sell. After go on buy and sell, there is these three options, and from these three options, you can use whichever option you like to buy, USDT, in another word, Tether. So I'm going to use legend trading because I find it easy. Once I click on buy and sell, it's going to take me to over here. Now, once I'm over here, as you guys can see at the top, USDT/USD, which means I'm going to be buying USDT, which means Tether, using USD, all right? So you want it to be set on this. By default, it's going to be set on this, but if it doesn't, then you can click on it and select USDT/USD. So yeah, basically once you're over here, go on the buy section. Once you're over here, you want to enter the amount of USDT you want to buy. So let's say I'm going to buy 20 USDT. Once I do that, I can click on request to quota. Once I do that, it's going to ask me to log in into my, legend trading account. But since I have not yet logged in into my legend trading account and my OTC account status is off, I need to enable it first. But I hope you guys have already done that, because if you guys have created like your account in Bitrue and have bought cryptocurrency at like, your previous date, then basically all this thing would be on. But I need to turn my OTC account on and like request a quota, and then it's going to take me to legend trading's website. And from over there, basically it's going to ask me for my payment method, and basically USDT will be bought. So that's basically how you guys can buy USDT in Bitrue. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. But all of my talking might have got you confused. Just come to legend trading and log in into a legend trading account, all right? And basically everything will be okay.